When you need to pack for a trip or a vacation, you have two very important key items of information already at the start of your planning process. The first one is time. How long it takes to get to your destination, how long you'll stay there, and how long will you be away from home. The second thing that you will also know is the environment. What's the weather expected to be like? Will food be included in your hotel stay, or will you budget for that separately? Who's going to be there with you? Are you going alone or traveling with others? Are you meeting new or existing friends there? Knowing your environment means that you can pack the right clothes or buy what you need if you don't have it already on hand, and you can set aside a food budget, or you can plan your day based on what you want to do with your time on vacation. Despite having the best intentions, like wanting to do your very best the very first time you try, or having all your ducks in a row, we actually try to use the same habit of preparing for a trip or a vacation to trying to plan for your professional or personal success and development. What I'm saying is, this is the habit that is problematic and keeps us stuck in place. Here's how. Planning for when your business kicks off doesn't come with a set time frame, and you can't predict the future environment that you'll find yourself in once you blow up. So much changes to a person as they pursue their dreams of self-sufficiency and personal success. The way you spend your time will have to change. The people you spend time with. You may even come to see them as either threatened by your efforts or hopefully supportive of your endeavors. The people who know you as you are today will have to realize that you've changed or you're trying to change. And the shift in expectations you have for yourself and that you have in others will also change. Will you stay in the same relationship once you've healed your childhood traumas, or will you decide to leave because the relationship you're in was really a trauma bond and lacks healthy boundaries? The thing is, we don't know what we don't know, and none of us can predict the future, so planning for it as if we can keeps us stuck. We can't ever be fully prepared for the unknown by not moving towards the unknown. The way you get past this habit and become unstuck is by doing it messy. It's about the experience. Deciding to learn as you go and being okay with making mistakes. It's the actual process of us being in the moment. The ways in which we redefined ourselves in the process of doing and being that smooths out some of our rigidity and adds character to our personality. Noticing and enjoying the parts of our journey that incites us or comforts us or reminds us of our incredible dream and the synchronicities and the divine guidance we receive. The way we fluctuate between feeling lost and found as we traverse new territory and with updated tools, because this is getting an update too, the way we think, our mindset. When you do it messy, instead of habitually trying to plan the unplannable, that's when you tapped into the energy that creates legacy and a life of purposeful ritual. You need to meet the unknown with a commitment to learning about yourself and learning as you go, and be okay with making mistakes or experiencing setbacks. Ultimately, it is the setbacks, the failures, and the mistakes that tells you more about the environment you're heading to and how much time it will take to get you there. Hey, instead of focusing your energy on what you absolutely can't know, check this video where I share with you 15 possible ways you could be using your energy for your highest good. Okay, bonus. If you stuck with me this long, you deserve a little bonus. So this entire time I'm recording this video and I'm getting myself prepared to sit down and edit this and get it ready for you guys. And the first thing I see is that my microphone is in the shot. My microphone was in the shot the entire time. And not just on the little edge where I can crop it out. It's in my fucking face. So yes, do it messy. It doesn't matter. It's not going to change anything. And I learned something super important just now, to check to see what's in my shot. I was so busy trying to get the words out that I wasn't paying attention. That's probably what we all need to do. Not pay attention to those little things that honestly don't matter. Who cares that my microphone is in the shot? So what? Do it anyway. Be authentic about it. So what? Okay? All right, I'll see you guys next time.